Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Excuse my voice, I have a cold. So today I'm here with my first Boxycharm unboxing. I've always wanted to try a subscription box, and since I have my channel now, I figured I'll just go ahead and I chose Boxycharm. This is actually my second box. The first box I got in August, but I was leaving for my cruise and I didn't do the unboxing. So when the September box came, I figured I'll do it. I've already opened it, and I'm pretty sure you've seen Boxycharm unboxings before all over YouTube. It's only $21 a month, and you get to try out full-size products. Like, I need more makeup, but as a makeup lover, I figured this would be a great asset, to what I like doing makeup. So, the first thing I got is this. What is this? Everything is on the, there's like a card, and it lists everything and the price. And this is I have my flashlight on my phone so I can see. This is the Dr. Brandt Hydro Biotic Recovery. This is a sleeping mask. Obviously, I didn't put it on. This is to reduce redness and smooths and, helps with signs of irritation, skin irritation and stuff like that. I love skincare and I love masks, so I'm definitely going to try this out. And this retails for $52, so it's pretty pricey. Then I got some brushes, and this is the Moda Pro brushes. These are eye brushes, and there's a total of, looks like 5 brushes in here. Let me open the package and get it out. I've never heard of this brand before, so this is new for me, and I can't get the last one out. And this is what I like about trying these boxes. Like, you get stuff and brands like you've never used before. So yeah, I'm dropping stuff everywhere. It's a total of, it's a total of 5 brushes. This looks like a blending brush. I don't like blending brushes where the tip is so sharp. I prefer like a fluffier brush. Looks like a shader. This kind of brush, I think this is like a liner brush, or I don't really use brushes like this. But they feel very soft. And they're gonna come in handy because I got this Essentials eyeshadow palette by Voss. This is what it looks like. And let me see what those two retail for. The brushes retail for $27.95, and the palette is $29. And then in the box has the Laura Geller highlighter in Gilded Honey. If you were OG, if you've been watching YouTube for a while, everybody knows this highlighter. I own this highlighter, but I don't know where it is. I think I misplaced it, so this would be a good replacement. I think everybody knows Gilded Honey. This retails for what? $26. And then lastly, I got a MAC lipstick, and it's called 96 CB. And the only thing though, it's a frost. I don't really like this formula, but I'm gonna try it out anyway. This is the color. I don't know, like, I would never, if I hadn't gotten this box, I would have never chosen a color like this, but hey, you never know. So let's go ahead and try everything out. So obviously I'm gonna start with the eyeshadow palette. And this has 1, 2, 3, 4. This has 10 shades, and it has a mirror. I own a Violet Voss palette already. I'm not sure. I'm just going to turn off my flashlight now. I'm not sure what, I don't remember the name of the palette. Now this brush, where is it? It's supposed to be I don't know if I'm going to use that. So I'm going to use my brush that I like, and I'm just going to speed this up. I just wanted, you guys to see what was in the box. So Alright, so I'm back with my eyes done, and this palette is just okay. Like, if I were supposed to go into a store and see this palette, I wouldn't use it. I'm not like a purple lover, and there's like purples and pinks on the bottom, and there's no way I would wear that green. So it's probably just gonna sit in my drawer, or it's gonna be given away or something like that. I mean, it's just okay. I think I was able to, you know, spruce it up a little bit with lashes. Anyway, I'm just going to finish the rest of my face on camera, and I'm gonna go in and do some bronzing. I've already got powder on. I'm wearing my Fenty foundation, by the way, and I'm taking my Natasha Denona. This is the Tan Bronze and Glow palette, and I love this shade right here for bronzing. Then of course I'm going to go in with my Marc Jacobs powder, the Accomplice powder, and this is in 56 Starlet. I never really do my makeup without this powder. I love it so much. Alright, for blush, I'm going in with my Charlotte Tilbury Cheek to Chic blush, and this is it's called the Climax. I love this because it just gives me that nice flush on my cheek that I like. This is what it looks like. I know a lot of people said it looks like a nipple. Maybe right. Has a slight pink sheen to it, but over time, when it mixes with the other products and it fades, it just more looks like a glow. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and then I'm gonna put on that the Laura Geller highlighter. All right, for the highlighter, this is Gilded Honey. And like I said, I own this highlighter, but I think I misplaced it. I probably haven't worn this in years, so this would be nice to revisit. This is what it looks like. And all you guys probably know this highlighter by now. Is it me, or just not showing up on my cheek? Maybe it has. Oh, well, no, I put too much. Oh my God. Let me go in with my blush brush and take some off. I think it probably had like a film over it, and then, okay, that's better. I guess I just had to get the film off. This is like a light champagne gold highlighter. I think I bought this highlighter because I had FOMO, because I prefer highlighter that's a little deeper. Put some on my nose. I feel like I'm not seeing it, which is weird. Let me look at my magnifying mirror here. I think I saw why I probably misplaced it or something, because I'm not sure I like the way it's looking on my skin tone. Anyway, so now for the lipstick. Where is it? Oops. Oh. So this is called CBC6 or something like that, and it's going to be listed in the description box, and it's Frost. I'm so terrified to put this on because of the color. If I don't like it, I'll just take it off. I'm just going to put it on for the sake of this video. All right, so I put on brown lip liner. I'm wearing Kylie Jenner's True Brown K. And I'm going to just keep this in the center because look at this lipstick. It's giving me like 90s disco vibe. Let's see how it looks. I can barely see it. It's actually not bad. I thought it would be like more like It has like a orange sheen. More looks like a satin than a frost. I saw it said frost. Okay, it's wearable. It's not too outlandish. It doesn't on the lip. It's just a lot more subtle than it looks in the tube, because the tube, it looks kind of scary, but actually it's not bad. This is actually something I would wear again. And surprisingly, I mean, I haven't tested the mask, but surprisingly the lipstick is the best for me. Is my favorite. My lashes are raising up. The lipstick is the favorite out of everything in the box. I think I liked my last month's the stuff that was in last month's box better than I like the stuff in this month's box. All right, so everything in the box was a grand total of $153.45, which is not bad. You paid $21, $153.45. That MAC lipstick was $18.50, and like I said, this is like, for everything that I've tried, my favorite. Like I said, the eyeshadow palette, it's not something I think I'm gonna reach for again. Maybe one of my nieces would like to have it. As far as the brushes, I really didn't give it a chance. I didn't really use it. I tried to use this to add the lid color, and I don't know. I don't know if it's really for the lid or what. What does it say? Oh, this is for the crease. See, I would have never guessed this is for the crease. I don't really use it, and like I said, I don't really use angled brushes. And the highlighter is just okay. Anyway, I just wanted to do, you know, my first unboxing on camera. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm pretty sure if I get a more exciting box, I'm not going to do like all my unboxings, but if I get an exciting box or I get products that I think are a little bit more exciting than these, I'm going to do it. Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'm going to see you again in my next video. Bye, guys.